My name is Bishop Woods. I'm doing my presentation about being a business owner for a baseball organization. So the reason why I did this one because after college and after I'm done with baseball, I want to have my own business. I want to have my own baseball organization. I want to start them up. I want to start my organization up and build it up and make it a good one and help people out, like help kids get into college for baseball. So the person I interviewed was Tyler Mays. He told me about himself. He told me that the high school he went to was Belden High School. That's like 30 to 35 minutes away from the high school I went to was Central. So he went to West Georgia for a baseball scholarship. West Georgia's in Carrollton. That's like 10 minutes away. He played in the independent baseball league. So he told me that they play a good bit of games. It's like in Florida, Georgia, Tennessee, mostly down south. So he did that for a while. So the reason why he became a coach, so he started coaching at age 34 and coached for like 12 to 15 years. So the reason why he's coaching now because he loved the game of baseball. Told me he wish he could still play, but everybody got hang their shoes up at one time point. And another reason why because he want to help kids in college for baseball. Because he thinks some people have potential to get to play college baseball, and he want to help them out. So baseball can connect good with people. So like he coaches people through 12 to 18, start them young, build them up, and watch them grow. So baseball, you can build great relationships with people, organizations, and parents. So like told me that going a lot of places, seeing a lot of kids, like meeting a lot of new coaches, they help them out because you can learn from that and mold from that. And having your own organization will help you too because you get closer with parents, closer with the kids, and it's building great relationships with people. It's just good. And of course, like he meet new people all the time in baseball tournaments. Like so like every weekend you go like somewhere else different and you just meet new people and it helps out though. So the disadvantage of being a coach is that he told me that you leave the house a lot, like all the time, practice, games, coming home late on the weekends. And he told me that he told me that he misses his wife and his daughter a lot because he's always on the road, coming home late, like 12 o'clock sometimes. It depends. Like if you have night games, it'd be late games, and like he just that's like the only disadvantage he told me about just coming home late. Really, just a lot of time, like putting a lot of time for baseball, and sometimes he just misses time with his wife and daughter. So that's the only disadvantage he told me about. And so my overall, to me, I think it'd be fun being a coach because I like baseball, of course, and I feel like I'd be a good coach and mold people up. And yeah, to me, I think it would be fun to like watch people grow up and become good people, like good men. And I love to play baseball. I wish I could play all the time, but like you told me, it can be that day you gotta hang those shoes up and you gotta step in the real world. And so I think being a coach would be a good fit for me because I like helping people and I like to play baseball. So I feel like that'd be a good job for me. And that's the end of my presentation.